So I just got this racing starter kit from BetaFPV I ordered about 3 weeks ago. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So we got a strap for the goggles. This is the manual. We got this controller. We got the goggles. And then, last but not least, the small little drone. Nice. We also got some chargers and whatnot in this little pocket. Whoops. Got 2 batteries that came with it. And then this is the cord to charge, I think, the goggles. I don't know what this is. Oh, extra propellers, nice. Remove back cover. Connect battery inside the power. Okay. Before you start flying, you want to make sure your batteries are fully charged. To do this, grab a battery and plug it into this little dongle they gave you. It should read around 4.3 voltage, and you can charge 2 at a time, so 1 on top and 1 on bottom. Plug this into your USB dongle, and then you can charge it. Now we can bind the drone to the controller. To do this, slide the battery in and then connect the battery. Once the battery is connected to the drone, you want to turn on your controller, press and hold. It should vibrate, and then flip over. There's a bind button on the right. Click that once and it should bind in a couple of seconds. Next, grab your goggles and then turn it on by pressing this button and holding it. There we go. And then you want to click on the search button once to make sure you're on the right channel, and it'll go through all the channels available and find the right one. There we go, now it's fully paired. If you're a beginner or flying inside, I'd recommend pushing these 2 buttons on the right forward all the way, and then this button on the top left inward. It should put you in level mode, as you can see here. And then if you push the top left button forward, it will put you into acro mode. Once you're ready to fly, you want to switch this button towards you. It won't start spinning until you put this all the way down. And then to disarm it, you want to switch this backward. Turn it off.
later. Several days later.
Hey guys, so a quick review on this FPV drone kit. Ever since I saw a video from Johnny FPV of his cinematic drone shots, I've been drawn into the world of FPV drones. I saw this kit on Potato Jet's channel and I thought, what better time to learn a new skill than to start now since I have a lot of free time. If you're thinking about getting into the FPV world and you don't want to spend thousands yet, I highly recommend this kit. It comes with everything you need straight out of the box to start flying, and it's extremely durable. I've crashed this little drone numerous times and it still functions like it's new. Average flight time for each battery is around 4 to 5 minutes. It comes with 2 batteries so you can fly for at least 10 minutes. This little drone is definitely an indoor drone unless there's no wind outside. The controller that comes with it feels really good on your hands and it's very responsive. The goggles are very comfortable. It has a little padding at the outer edge of where the face will go. This whole kit retails for $129 and with shipping it comes down to $140. Like most things in life, the more practice you put in, the more improvement you'll make. You're not going to reach perfection and there's always going to be somebody better at something you do, but you'll be better than where you were yesterday, and that's what really matters. Let me know down below what new skills you guys have picked up during quarantine. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!